Hey everyone, it's Josh here with Gateway Travel, and it is already March. We can't believe it, time is flying, but here is your March newsletter. Let's see what we have in store for you. We had an amazing time with Monica, our new BDM with Royal Caribbean, on her first presentation to us on groups, how to contact groups, how to sell to groups, how to actually book groups on their website. And our daytime webinar went fantastic, but those of you who tried to join our night webinar, Monica had some issues with her software, which allows her to broadcast to us and hold her webinars. So she is working on a new webinar. She's actually recording it on her own, and we will have that on our website as training for you very soon. So stay tuned for that. Some of you have already noticed that our Disney address has changed. Don't worry about it, everything's fine. It comes with a new BDM though. And so our new BDM, Rob Cook, has joined us. Hopefully I'll have a picture pop up next to me. If not, it'll probably be a nice Mickey Mouse graphic with his contact information. But he is a fantastic BDM. We were actually with him a long time ago when our agency was established in Michigan. So if you have any needs at all, Disney related, please contact him. He would be happy to help you. As we stick with Disney, have you ever thought about taking the next step with your Disney client? Have you ever thought that, hey, my clients enjoy Walt Disney World, but maybe they would enjoy a Disney cruise? Or if they're on a cruise, do you know that Disney talks to them about Aulani and Adventures by Disney Vacations? If you didn't know that, or you're not contacting your client ahead of time and letting them know that you also book all these other destinations, you might lose out on that sale. So Rob, our new BDM with Disney, is going to host a new webinar for us. I believe it's called Cross-Selling with Disney. He's going to walk us through all of these steps. So please stay tuned for that. Sarah and Rob are working on some dates that we can plan out for you to learn more about how to sell Disney products better. As you know, our CRM is ever evolving. We're working hard. It's been a huge push for us here in 2019 to make our CRM one of the best in the industry. And it's slowly becoming that. We're adding new features on a weekly basis to help make your experience with Gateway Travel in our CRM a better one. So if you have any ideas, any thoughts about something we could do better, we want to hear from you. We value your opinion. So please email me at josh.rich@gatewaytravel.com, or if you want to email your agency contact, they'll forward it to me. That's fine too. We are fine-tuning our CRM. And as always, I love to end these newsletters by thanking our agents. Thank you to our top sellers this month, our engagement leaders, and all of our new agents. Welcome to Gateway Travel. We value you. We value helping you build your business with Gateway Travel, and we thank you for sticking with us and providing a positive culture all around for our agency. So until next time, next month in April, I will see you later.